This is my partner since many years ago, and I hardly remember how many great titles I played on this console. Time ago I've lost one rubber foot, so I added 4 felt pads to not scratch the furniture and to make sure the console is leveled. I knew it will come a time to open it and to clean it, so this is what I'm doing today. I start by removing the rubber feet and the plastic covers. I'm using a tweezers, however anything else can fit the same purpose. Now I'll remove all the screws, and most of them are Phillips screws. There's one rubber foot where there's no screw behind it, and there's no need to remove that one. It's the rubber foot on the left of the hard disk screw. Now I'm removing the hard disk drive. This is very easy. Now here comes the most difficult part. Here we have 3 protection screws, and to unscrew them we need a Torx T8, the one with the hole in the middle. Once I'm done with all these screws, now it's time to remove the seal, and behind it there's one more plastic cover and one more Phillips screw. Everything done, now I can get access inside. Before opening the cooler, I have to open 2 more Phillips screws so I can take off the power supply unit. I'm surprised there's not so much dust inside, and this console was used so many years. But there is some, and I will clean it as good as possible. Any sort of vacuum cleaner should do the job. Now with a cotton swab and some rubbing alcohol, I'm cleaning the fan. It takes some time, but this is the best option so far. With a cotton wool pad, I'm also cleaning everything near the fan. Everything is clean, so it's time to put everything back in place. I'm starting with the fan, then the power supply unit. Now it's time to put back the Phillips screws, their plastic covers and rubber feet, and of course the Torx T8 screws. I put the hard disk back in place, the plastic cover, then the screw. One more cleaning with a cotton wool pad and this PS3 Slim is good to go for another couple of years. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.